Don't forget to show some love. Tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Let's get into it. Now imagine a single herb that the ancient Greeks believed could sharpen the mind, that Shakespeare himself once called the symbol of remembrance, and that modern science is now proving can actually boost memory and focus. That herb is rosemary. Today, we're going to explore how rosemary can improve your memory, from its mysterious role in ancient rituals to what scientists now know about its effect on the brain and how you can use it in your daily life. Rosemary's story goes back thousands of years. In ancient Greece, students wore rosemary garlands around their heads while studying for exams, believing the aroma would sharpen their minds. The Greeks even associated rosemary with the goddess Mnemosyne, the goddess of memory. In Rome, rosemary sprigs were burned during ceremonies and placed in tombs as a symbol of eternal remembrance. This tradition carried into medieval Europe, where rosemary was used in weddings, funerals, and even carried in pockets as a charm for clear thinking. Shakespeare's Hamlet has the famous line, "There's rosemary that's for remembrance." It wasn't just poetry. It reflected centuries of belief that rosemary could protect and enhance memory. Now let's look at what science says. Researchers have found that the scent of rosemary essential oil can increase alertness, improve focus, and enhance memory recall. In one study from the University of Northumbria in the UK, people who worked in a room infused with rosemary oil performed 15% better on memory tests compared to those in a normal room. The magic comes from compounds like 1,8-cineol found in rosemary's aroma. This compound interacts with neurotransmitters in the brain, boosting activity in regions linked to memory and learning. Another study published in Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology found that rosemary oil not only improved cognitive performance, but also reduced anxiety, which is crucial because stress often blocks memory formation. So science confirms what ancient people already suspected. Rosemary really does stimulate the mind. Rosemary doesn't just smell good. It affects your body on multiple levels. First, let's look at some studies, and then I'll explain exactly what's happening. One study from the Human Behavior and Physiology Department at the University of Miami found that rosemary scent increased participants' scores on a memory test. They discovered that the key compound responsible was 1,8-cineol, which has also been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. Another study from the University of Northumbria tested alertness and cognitive performance in office workers. The results showed that when rosemary was diffused in the air, subjects demonstrated higher levels of alertness, memory, and working capacity. And lastly, a study from the International Journal of Neuroscience found that rats who sniffed rosemary showed an increase in brainwave activity, suggesting heightened mental alertness. Now let's dive deeper into exactly what's happening in our bodies. When we inhale scents like rosemary, they stimulate nerves in our noses, sending signals directly to the olfactory bulb in our brains. From there, these signals are processed and relayed to areas like the hippocampus and cortex, which are crucial for memory and attention. Rosemary's special power lies in its ability to boost activity in these regions. Specifically, it enhances the effects of neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and dopamine, which are vital for memory formation, focus, and motivation. Rosemary also stimulates blood flow to the brain, ensuring it gets the oxygen and nutrients needed for optimal performance. By understanding how rosemary impacts our brain chemistry and circulation, we can harness its power to support a healthy mind. Now let's talk about how you can use rosemary in your daily routine to boost your memory and focus. We'll explore several simple methods backed by science. First, aromatherapy. Diffusing rosemary essential oil is a popular and effective way to enjoy its benefits. Simply add a few drops to a diffuser while working, reading, or studying. The scent will gently fill the air, helping to increase your alertness and memory recall. You can also use rosemary topically by applying diluted essential oils to your temples or wrists. Just be sure to dilute the oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil before doing so. If you prefer a more discreet approach, consider keeping a small sachet of dried rosemary near your workspace or even in your car. The scent molecules will slowly permeate the air around you, providing a subtle boost to your focus and clarity. If you're looking for a tasty way to incorporate rosemary, try brewing it as tea. Steep fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and sip while you work. This method infuses the water with beneficial compounds found in rosemary. allowing you to enjoy both the flavor and potential cognitive benefits. For those who enjoy cooking, adding fresh rosemary sprigs to dishes can be a delightful way to boost your brain power. Rosemary complements roasted vegetables, chicken, and soups beautifully, adding a delicious flavor while providing potential cognitive benefits. Lastly, creating a rosemary memory ritual can be a powerful tool. Take a few moments before a study session or important task to hold a sprig of rosemary. Close your eyes and inhale its scent deeply. This simple act can help prime your brain for focus and concentration, making it easier to retain information and complete tasks efficiently. Next, let's delve into some frequently asked questions about using rosemary for memory and focus. People often wonder if rosemary is safe to use. Generally, rosemary is safe for most people when used in small to moderate amounts. For aromatherapy, dilute essential oils properly and avoid direct contact with skin and eyes. In cooking, use fresh or dried rosemary in typical amounts found in recipes. As with any herb, it's wise to start with small amounts and increase gradually. Some individuals may have sensitivities or allergies to rosemary. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Additionally, pregnant women, nursing mothers, and those with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before using rosemary, especially in concentrated forms. Another common question is, how long does it take to see results? The timeline for experiencing the benefits of rosemary varies depending on the method of use and individual factors. Some people report immediate increases in focus and clarity after inhaling rosemary scent. Others may take a few weeks of regular use to notice improvements in memory or cognitive performance. Consistency is key, and it's essential to manage expectations. While rosemary can support cognitive function, it's not a quick fix or a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. People also ask, how do I choose and use high-quality rosemary? When selecting rosemary, prioritize organic options to ensure they're free from pesticides and other harmful substances. Fresh rosemary has a vibrant green color and a strong, pleasant aroma. Dried rosemary should be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. For aromatherapy, use a high-quality essential oil that's pure and free from additives. When diffusing, follow instructions carefully to avoid overheating the oil. Remember, quality matters because it ensures you're getting the full benefits of rosemary, while minimizing any potential risks. So you can see there are many ways to use rosemary to enhance your memory and focus. From aromatherapy to cooking, there's a method for everyone. Just remember to start slow, choose quality products, and be patient in seeing results. Lastly, let's address whether rosemary can replace medication. While rosemary offers potential benefits for memory and focus, it's essential to understand that it's not a substitute for medication prescribed by a healthcare professional. If you have a diagnosed condition, such as ADHD, dementia, or other cognitive impairments, continue following your treatment plan, and consult your doctor before incorporating rosemary or any supplements into your routine. Medication plays a crucial role in managing these conditions, and it shouldn't be altered or discontinued without proper medical guidance. However, for those without diagnosed conditions, rosemary can be a valuable addition to a holistic approach to supporting memory and focus, alongside a healthy lifestyle and other natural remedies. So there you have it, the ancient herb that can boost your memory and focus. From its historical uses to scientific evidence and practical applications, we've explored the fascinating world of rosemary. Remember, while rosemary is a powerful tool, it's not a magic bullet. A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits, is crucial. If you're facing significant cognitive challenges, or suspect you may have a condition like dementia, consult a healthcare professional. Don't forget to show some love. Tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of natural remedies and brain health. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and take care of your amazing brain.